Hi everyone. The production of the iPhone 16 is a fascinating and complex process that showcases cutting-edge technology and innovation. Each device is crafted with precision in state-of-the-art factories, where skilled workers and advanced machinery come together. In this video, we will take you inside the incredible world of iPhone manufacturing, exploring the intricate steps involved in creating this iconic device. The iPhone's journey begins in Cupertino, California, where Apple's design team starts working on the next model. This team includes skilled engineers and creative designers who come up with ideas for a new, modern device that people will want to show off on TikTok. During this design stage, the team carefully plans every aspect of the iPhone's appearance and functionality. They decide where to place each part, such as the processor, battery, and camera, making sure everything fits perfectly. Their goal is to create a phone that looks great and works well. At the same time, another team works on improving the iPhone's software. They focus on making the interface easy to use, so actions like swiping and tapping feel natural. They also add new features, like better cameras and improved displays, to enhance things like taking selfies. Apple tests each new feature thoroughly. They want to make sure that when they promise something new, it works as expected. This careful planning and testing during the design phase sets the foundation for the new iPhone that will soon be available to customers around the world. The iPhone contains over 60 different materials from around the world. These include various metals and rare minerals. Apple works with many suppliers to get these materials, ensuring they meet quality standards and follow environmental rules. For example, aluminum comes from places like Australia and Canada. Silicon, used in microchips, usually comes from the United States or Japan. The iPhone's battery needs lithium and cobalt, which are mined in countries like Chile, Argentina, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Apple works with many skilled manufacturers around the world to make the parts for iPhones. Each company specializes in making specific components. The main processor chip, called the A-series chip, is designed by Apple but made by a company in Taiwan called TSMC. They use advanced methods to create tiny parts that make the iPhone work fast. The iPhone screen, which is bright and clear, is made by companies like Samsung, LG, and Japan Display. The battery, which keeps the phone running, is usually made by companies like ATL or Samsung SDI. These batteries are small but powerful and can charge quickly. The camera in iPhones, which takes great photos and videos, uses parts made by Sony. These camera parts are very good at capturing light, which helps with features like taking pictures at night or zooming in on faraway objects. Other important parts like the glass screen, microphones, antennas, and sensors come from different suppliers in countries like the United States, South Korea, Japan, and China. When all these parts are ready, they are sent to factories where workers put them together to make complete iPhones. This is where all the pieces come together to create the finished product that people can buy and use. Let's look at how an iPhone is put together. After all the parts are ready, they're sent to factories, mostly in China. These factories are where iPhones are built. First, they put in the main computer chip. This is like the iPhone's brain. Then they add the screen, battery, and cameras. They also add microphones and speakers for sound. Next, they put on the outer case, which is made of aluminum or glass. It fits very precisely. While this is happening, a team installs the iPhone's operating system, iOS. This makes sure the iPhone is ready to use right away. The whole process is a mix of human work and robotic help. People handle the small, delicate parts and check the quality. Robots do tasks like putting in screws and running tests. Together, they make iPhones very quickly. Building an iPhone takes a lot of skill and careful work. After the iPhone is assembled, it goes through quality control and testing. This is a crucial step to ensure each phone works perfectly. Apple's team carefully checks every part of the iPhone. They test how well it performs, how durable it is, and its overall quality. Each iPhone undergoes several tests. They check its speed, Wi-Fi, cellular signal, and Bluetooth to make sure everything works reliably. Water resistance is also tested. iPhones are designed to survive accidental water exposure, like rain or brief submersion. The battery goes through extensive testing too. This ensures it works efficiently without overheating. Finally, they conduct drop and bend tests. These simulate accidents that might happen in daily use, like falling or being squeezed in a pocket. In the end, Apple ensures each iPhone is not just a sophisticated device, but a reliable companion for everyday use. They want to make sure it can handle all your needs, from communication to social media. Let's talk about iPhone packaging. Apple keeps it simple and stylish. The box is sleek and minimal, showing Apple's less is more approach. They're also using eco-friendly materials to help the environment. Each iPhone box contains important information about your device. It shows the model, storage capacity, and a unique serial number. This number helps Apple identify your specific iPhone if you need support. Opening your new iPhone box is exciting. It's designed to be a special moment, like unwrapping a gift. Many people enjoy this unboxing experience and find it satisfying. Take your time and enjoy it. You've got a new iPhone. After production, new iPhones are sent to Apple's storage facilities around the world. This ensures they're ready for launch day. On launch day, Apple makes sure there are plenty of iPhones available for eager customers. They offer special services like pre-order pickups and priority lines for those who want to get their new phones quickly. If you don't want to visit a store, you can buy your iPhone online from Apple's website or authorized sellers. You can choose to have it delivered to your home or pick it up at a nearby Apple store. For shipping, Apple works with major delivery companies like FedEx, UPS, and DHL. They offer various delivery options to suit different customer needs. Apple is also working on making their entire supply chain environmentally friendly by 2030. This means they're trying to produce and distribute iPhones without harming the environment. They're using more renewable energy and encouraging their suppliers to do the same. The company is also improving its processes to be more eco-friendly. They're using fewer materials, creating environmentally friendly packaging, and developing new technologies that are less harmful to the planet. That concludes our look at how iPhones are made and distributed. If you enjoyed this information, please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content about technology.